Good morning, everybody. So it's actually afternoon. I'm a liar. Anyway, we're at Maggio's Pizza. Have you ever eaten there? Do you guys remember going for pizza like at Pizza Hut when you were a kid? And they had a buffet, which Maggio still has a buffet. So we had the buffet, and then like Guns N' Roses was playing on the radio in there, and they have video games. And I'm like, I don't have any quarters. I don't ever carry a change anymore. Fortunately, sister had quarters. So I'm gonna go relive my childhood. I'm gonna go play some Street Fighter, listen to some Guns N' Roses, eat some pizza. How's it getting better than that? Hi guys, so today's video. A few years ago, I wanna say it's probably 3 years ago, I bought bags. There's the bags. Off of Amazon. Got them for my bike, got them for Angie's bike. We've used them for 3 years. Probably between the two bikes, 150,000 miles. They don't leak any water. They've been awesome bags for, I think they're like 250 bucks. They're pretty cheap. Come with the mounting brackets, everything you need. They have been great. But the one problem I've had with the bags is the lock. So one lock on Angie's bike went out, and then one lock on my bike went out. They just stopped working. I took it apart, looked at it. There wasn't anything I could do to take it apart to try to fix it or anything. So I got with the company and said, look, I need locks. Look what came. I got locks. I got 2 locks for each bike, so I can change these out. So I'm gonna change these out, but that's the only complaint I've had in 3 years. And that's not really a complaint. I am more than happy with these saddlebags. They have done awesome. And I'll be even happier once I get the locks changed out. But I am gonna get those locks changed. They're pretty simple. I think it's like 3 bolts and they swap out. So really, really easy. And then I got some of this stuff while I was in Arkansas. You guys probably saw it on the video. But this is Psycho Killer waterless wash. I'm gonna give it a try because my bike's pretty dirty. I don't know how clean I'm gonna do it, but I'm at least gonna give it a try on the saddlebags and all, just to see how well it works. So we'll give that a try. Stay tuned. A couple things going on here. All right, super easy process. There's the lock right there. You just pull off this nut, pull off these 2 T20 Torx bits, pull it out of there, put your new one in. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. Let's get this replaced. All right, phase 1, project 1 is done. I now have new bag locks on both my bike and Angie's bike. I want to say they were like 10 bucks. I'll put a link to them in the description below, along with a link to the saddlebags. If you want some, click the link, get you there. If you need the locks, click the link, that'll take you to the locks as well. Anyway, it took me, I don't know, maybe 10-15 minutes per bike to replace them. And I wasn't in any big hurry. It's 3 bolts, 6 bolts total on each side. So a whopping 6 bolts, you've got it changed out, no problem. Next, we're gonna try the cleaner, the Psycho Killer Wash. One of the main reasons I'm trying this is we travel a lot, and I've always thought it'd be great if I had something I could carry with me to clean the bikes. And this has a really neat feature. It has a little clicker that locks it from spraying, because I've had them leak out before. So that's a cool feature of this. Now we're actually going to try it, see what we think. All right, so we hit this bag here. You can see how tiny, dirty, shiny. From his demo, and from what I can tell, it's true. It's just one wipe. So you spray it down, one single wipe. You don't have to get a second towel to go over it a second time. Wipes dry. It's supposed to leave a protective coating. I'll let you know how that is after I get a bike completely done in it. It's supposed to be able to be used on everything. So paint, seat, you name it, you can spray it on it and use it. So if that's the case, I'm gonna give it a good clean in here and see what I think about it. But if that's the case, that'd be awesome to carry with you, because you know, you get 2-3 weeks in and it's just a dirty, nasty mess. It's nice to be able to clean up the bike a little bit. I'm always cleaning the windshield off, so if I can clean the windshield with this and it leaves some kind of protective coating to help it bead up. I usually use plastic Rain-X. I normally carry it with me. I forgot it this time, so we're going to try this stuff out. But anywho, so far so good. Let's clean the bike a little more and find out what we think. All right, I didn't go all out, but I did clean some of the chrome. I can see my reflection, pretty shiny. Some of the paint, did the tank, did the bag. I like it. So far so good. Definitely worth carrying a bottle with you, with one of their microfiber towels, just to clean up if you're going to be on a long road trip. So far so good. I have a feeling this is going to be one thing that I add as a permanent member of my saddlebag stuff that I carry on long trips. But anyway, that is just a quick review of it. I will play more with it when I'm at home, and I have more time to do the cleaning. But anyway, that's Psycho Killer waterless wash and wax. Look them up, give it a try. So far I'm a fan. We'll see how it does with the whole, you know, beading up and protective coating. Although I don't know how much you can protect a bike with 170,000 miles on it, but we'll give it a try. Anyway guys, that's it. What a boring day. Although the sun was out and it was beautiful, we had a lot of work to do today, and we mapped out our remainder of our trip. Once we leave Fort Smith, we're actually going to go home. So we're going to take the long way home. We've got some businesses to see along the way and do a little sightseeing. We're going to go home, and then we're going to come back out for the Alabama meetup, and then we're going to go back home for about 5 weeks, and then we'll head out for 3 months. So a little change in our plans, but I think it'll be perfect. And it also gives us a little more time at home, which I'm not opposed to. We've still got lots of stuff to get done. But until tomorrow, we will see you. Hey Angie, what are you getting ready to do?
Jump online.
What are you doing online?
You not told him anything?
Nope.
Mayhem Radio, Motorcycle Mayhem Radio. Flew out of Jersey. Met Jimmy and Johnny, Rizzo, in Daytona during Bike Week. So they reached out and said, hey, do you want to come on and talk about Female Ride Day happening on this Saturday?
May the 4th.
Yeah, May the 4th be with you in Eureka. So, I'm a little nervous.
I do not know when it'll I do not know when the video will go up, but when I find out, I'll let you guys know.
Right.
You can go watch Angie's interview. Anyway, let's get out of her hair.